type 2 diabetes is a state of insulin resistance. People become resistant to their own body's insulin, and it's mainly due to lifestyle factors. Yes, there's a role for genetics, but it's mainly lifestyle factors that plays a big role. So our eating habits, our lack of exercise, inactivity, coupled with the stresses of daily life, do trigger us down the path of diabetes.
Diabetes is a self-managing disease, and that the patient really needs to educate themselves about the day-to-day things they need to do to help improve their diabetes control.
If you are over 45, have family history of diabetes, are overweight or obese, have high blood pressure or high cholesterol, it is important that you get screened for diabetes. If you are in the high-risk category, like I mentioned, it is important to get your sugars checked. If you do have the borderline diabetes or at risk for diabetes, then you got to really take a lot of important steps towards changing your diet and exercise habits. Exercise
is a great way to lower blood sugars without medication. We always say exercise is kind of like taking a medication because it naturally lowers your blood sugar. Plus it helps with stress reduction.
Really being thoughtful of what goes into system is very important. I mean, you've got to kind of go back to what they say caveman age, where you more towards organic type foods, where you don't have as much processed and you're going back to the basics. To be able to prevent type 2 diabetes and to effectively manage diabetes, we all know that diabetes education and a nutrition program which is well structured is a cornerstone. We have a very well structured program at St. Anthony's Life Help program, and we have excellent staff. So I think supporting that program, I think, will have a lot of indirect impact on the community in terms of the well-being of the community.
A lot of the patients we see come to us looking for answers and education. And when I see them for a follow-up and notice that their blood sugars are better controlled, they're feeling much better, they have less stress, it makes a world of difference.